Hey guys, it's Sarah from Sleepopolis, and today is the day that you learn how to fold a fitted sheet. In fact, I'm gonna show you 2 different methods, and you pick the one you like. All right, let's get started. Okay, first things first, find the long side of the fitted sheet. Any long side will do. Put each hand into the pockets of the long side of the sheet with the elastic band facing you. Now, with each hand, grab a handful of the fabric and turn the pockets inside out. Now, swap hands so that you're holding the opposite corner, not the corner that you started out with. Put your hands back in the pockets. Now, with each hand tucked inside a pocket and the elastic facing you, clap your hands together 1 time. Flip the right hand corner over your left hand so that now your right hand is free. Then swap hands under the sheet so that your right hand is supporting the pocket and everything's draped over your right hand, and your left hand is now free to travel down the elastic and find the other pocket. Now that you've got your hands back in both pockets, hold your fitted sheet up in front of you, then lay it on the bed. Now the elastic part of your fitted sheet should now look like an upside down U. Now feel free to take some time to define that U shape more, kind of smooth out the fabric and make the edges of the sheet a little more crisp. If you've gotten this far, the hard part is over. Now fold the sheet vertically 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then flip it over. Now fold the sheet 3 times again, this time horizontally. Smooth the fabric with your hands for a nice clean look, and pat yourself on the back because you did it! So this is what your finished product should look like if you're using method 1. And personally, this is my preferred method because I think it just makes for a cleaner look overall. However, there is one key advantage to method 2, so let's take a look at that. All right, first things first, again, you're gonna find the long end of the sheet. So for both of these methods, you're always starting with the long end of the sheet. Put both hands in the corners of the long end of the sheet, turn them inside out so that you can see the seams. But at this point, only the top part of the sheet should be inside out. Now, put your hands together. With one hand in each corner, fold one corner over the other corner so that your left hand is supporting the whole sheet and your right hand is free. Now swap hands so that your right hand is supporting one corner of the sheet and your left hand is free to travel down the elastic and find the other corner. Now with both hands back in the pockets, you'll notice that the sheet kind of looks like it's been folded in half, which means you're halfway there. Put your hands together again and throw one corner over the other, just like steps 2 and 3. Now lay the sheet on the bed and you'll notice the elastic resembles a J shape. Starting with the elastic side, you can sort of smooth the fabric out again, sort of decrease a little bit of that puffiness. Now fold the sheet 3 times horizontally. 1, 2, 3. Now your sheet should look like a rectangle. Then fold it twice vertically. And you're done! Celebrate your accomplishment with a peaceful power nap. Now this is what your finished product should look like after using method 2. And like I said, I do find the folds here to be a little less clean and pristine as compared to method 1. However, if you're really looking to save on space and that's your priority, this is probably the way to go because it is smaller and more compact. Well, there you have it. Now you know how to fold a fitted sheet 2 ways. Now I would love to know which way you think is easier and which one you had a better time with, so please leave me a shout in the comment section below and let me know. Now in the meantime, if you are on the hunt for bedding, be sure to Google Sleepopolis, best sheets of 2019. I'll show you all my personal favorites. Now I do hope you found this review to be helpful, and if you did, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, follow us on social media. We're always uploading more content with one main thing in mind, to get you some better sleep. Well, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.